Hey guys, I want to do this tutorial today to show you how to fix the edges in the car if you have the same problem as mine. As you see here, they are uneven. I hope this is clear to you so you can see. It's too sunny today, so we're gonna fix it in like few steps. It's very quick and easy to fix. So what we need is a water and a blow dryer. If you have a heater, that would be better, but the blow dryer helps too. So we're gonna do this easy. Don't worry about this. All I need from this is a hammer to push this in, kind of like this. It needs to be like this and level instead of like this. So let's do this. So like I was saying, you just need to have something like this. Could be hammer, could be a piece of wood. All you need to do is push this while you're heating it with the blow dryer. And remember, you have to have water close to you. So when you're done, you have to put cold water. And it's good to circle around it like I'm doing right now. And as you see, it's going in little by little. And get your water ready, okay? When you've done this process, you go like this, kind of to cool it down. And like you see, it's even. It may need a little more, but this is so good so far. Off, you see it level 100%. And voila.
I hope you guys got some tips from this tutorial. If you liked the video, hit subscribe and like for more videos. Thank you.